guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be filming a what's on my iPhone 7 2019. So this is basically a video that's been going all around YouTube lately, and a couple people asked me if I could film it, so I was like, why not? But before I film what's on my iPhone, I'm actually going to be filming a wildflower case opening video because my old case was ugly and I didn't like it anymore, so I decided why not get a new one. Okay, so now I'm just gonna open the package that it came in. It just came in this like little white like envelope basically, and I'm just going to open it. So basically, now that the package is open, I'm just going to pull out like the case itself. So it just comes with a little envelope that says what I ordered and like my address and how to return it. And then, yeah, so I guess I don't need that anymore. So then now that I've opened it, here's what the actual like box itself looks like. And there's a little tab right here that's for me to open. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you buy it. Oh, it's focused. And then on the back it just has a bunch of like, it has like their Instagram handles and like all of that. And there's a little tab right here for you to open, so you just go ahead and pull it open. And it just like flips open like this. And then it came with a couple wildflower stickers. One says, "Do amazing things." And then one's just the basic like pink wildflower sticker. That's plaid. And then lastly, it comes with the case. So the case is actually in like a really nice little like velvet texture thing. So yeah, then once you take the case out, there's really nothing left for the box. And now I just have a little handle right here that's like all their Instagram handles again, like Twitter, Facebook, all that. And then you just open it up and it has a little cute like thing about wildflower. And then you can just put your phone inside of the case, and this kind of looks small for my phone, but I think it fits. So basically this is what my phone looks like with the case on. So I actually just filmed this entire video and realized it wasn't screen recording, so I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. I'm gonna look for the red bar at the top. So when you turn on my phone, this is what the lock screen looks like. I just have all the basic apps at the top. So I have FaceTime, contacts, the utility apps, and then the health app. Those are all things that you like can't delete off of your phone, so like they're like the basic apps everyone has. And then I have calculator and clock, and then I have arcade. So arcade is where it gets fun. So I have Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers is like literally my favorite game ever. I love Subway Surfers. I can literally like whenever we're in class and they're like, oh, time's up, I just keep like, we're allowed to be on our phones, I play Subway Surfers. I probably look so stupid. My high score is 783,000. So like if you beat that, like good for you, because I literally was running for 20 minutes straight. And then I have Ryder, a game called Balls, Helix Jump, One Line, 2048, Wordscapes, Heads Up, and Roblox. The only game that I really play is Subway Surfers, 2048, and Ryder. And the other games are mostly for my friend's little brother because he takes my phone all the time and he likes to play on it. So these games are mostly for him. The next thing I have on my phone is the phone app, and then I have the weather app. Both of those apps are also like basic apps that come on your phone. And then after that I have YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is actually an app I found from Ken and Marie's channel, and I really like it. It basically just tells me all the analytics of my videos without me having to go on YouTube and look at it, because YouTube takes a lot of like data. So if I'm like on the bus and I want to look at the analytics, or if I'm on my way home from somewhere and I want to look at the analytics, I can actually just look on this app instead of having to load all of YouTube up first. So this basically just shows every video I've ever uploaded, if it's public or private, and if it's monetized or not. So for example, the next video that I'm uploading is Get Ready With Me for Spring Formal, and that's set to upload on Wednesday, but since it hasn't uploaded yet, it still shows up in my video queue, but it just shows up as private, so I can still make sure that it hasn't been uploaded by mistake for some reason. So the next thing I have is Starbucks and Pinterest. My Pinterest is pretty like basic. I really don't post on it, but if you want to follow it, the handle will be down in the like description below, and I'm pretty sure my name is just Kayla Astrab. Next I have YouTube, which is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go in that because if you're watching this video, you clearly have been on YouTube before. And then next I'm going to go on Dote. My Dote username is Kayla1394, and this is my Dote. I really do like go full on with Dote. I like have all the favorites lists. I have like a bunch of different folders for like different seasons. And if you want to download Dote and you're going to make your first purchase, I have the code SZTC, which will get you $5 off your first purchase on the app. So if you're going to download Dote and make an account, you should totally follow me at Kayla1349, and you can use my code to get $5 off. That will also be in like the description thing down below. Next thing I have is just Spotify and TeamSnap. Spotify is just my music thing. My username is Kayla Astrab, and I listen to like basically all the songs that are on the radio. So if you're interested in that kind of music, then you should follow me on Spotify. But if you like rap and all that, I don't really listen to that, so you probably won't like my Spotify. And then next I have TeamSnap, which is my soccer app, so like I don't think you guys would really be interested in that. And then I have my Google Calendar. So for my calendar, it looks really busy because I have like certain practices every single day. So like that's just why it looks so busy, but keep in mind those things are only like an hour out of my day. So like I still have like, and school. Yeah, but like it looks really busy just because I have track like every day after school, but I promise like my life isn't that interesting. I mean, it's busy, but it's like not as interesting as it looks from my calendar. So after that, I just have Gmail and then Safari and Chrome, which are just like basic apps that come on your phone. Like I'm pretty sure everyone has those. And then I have photo and video. So I have Pic Collage, iMovie, Layout, Canon OPA, Fonto, and Pocket Video. Pic Collage I just use to zoom out of things, like zoom out on photos. And then iMovie I used when I first ever started my YouTube channel. I used iMovie to edit my first like couple videos, but I didn't really stick to it because I found Pocket Video. And Pocket Video is an amazing app, and if you're a new YouTuber filming on your phone camera and you edit on your phone as well, I definitely recommend Pocket Video. It's free, it has really, really good features, and it's pretty easy to use. It does take a while to load generally, and sometimes it crashes and like you lose the footage from that video, which is kind of aggravating, but it is a really good app generally. And then Layout and Fonto are both, they're both picture editing things that I use to make my thumbnails and just edit photos in general. And then Canon OPA is a app that I use to get pictures from my camera to my phone. After that, I just have TV, which is just YouTube TV and Netflix, both self-explanatory apps. YouTube TV is a service you can buy. Instead of having cable, you have YouTube TV, which is like all the basic, like your normal channels plus like your local stations. We cut the cord on cable because it was really expensive, so now we have YouTube TV. Next I have my camera, and then I also have sub count. I currently have 1,278 subscribers, so that's pretty great. And then I have school stuff, which is just Google Classroom, Google Drive, PowerSchool, Kahoot, Quizlet, Remind, and MathPapa. I said that's so weird. MathPapa, ew, why am I saying it like that? I don't like that. I use it when I don't understand a problem, because there's not a lot of kids in my school that have the same math class as me. So when I don't understand like a problem and like I can't get in touch with people in my math class, then I just use that to like answer the first set of that problem, and then I'll use the example from that they showed me to answer the next problems. And then I just have VSCO. If you want to follow me on VSCO, it's Kayla Astrab with 2 B's, and I basically just use it to post things that I think are like Tumblr or aesthetic, or all my friends have boyfriends, so I just post their cute relationships because, you know, single. And after, oh yeah, once again, my VSCO is just Kayla Astrab with 2 B's if you want to follow that. And then I have LifeSum and Map My Run, and those are both like health and fitness apps. So LifeSum is more the health, like food aspect of health and fitness. I totally recommend, I use it every single day. And Map My Run is more of the working out exercise aspect of health and fitness. And it just maps your runs. It like tracks you when you're running, so you start it when you run and then you finish it when you end. The only thing I wouldn't recommend Map My Run for is if you're running in the cold, because the app really doesn't work in the cold for some reason. I don't know why, but it won't track you or remember your run. Then I have AE and Airy. I have AE, Airy, and then PacSun, which are both just shopping apps you use in store to get points and save money. And then I also have Amazon, which I use all the time, and Poshmark. My Poshmark is Kayla Astrab if you want to follow me. I have clothes in the closet right now if you want to buy anything. And that's pretty self-explanatory. Now we're getting to like the big 4 apps. So I have Instagram. My Instagram is just kayla.astrab. I don't really, it's kind of a private Instagram. So if you are like interested in following me, then comment down below and maybe I'll make another Instagram. But this is my private Instagram and I'd prefer if just my close friends were following me on this. So I don't really, this is just private. This is my private Instagram, yeah. Basically the simplest way to say it. Then I have my Snapchat. Whoa, that was zoomed in on me. I have my Snapchat, and this is just my little like snap code. Sorry, it's kind of like glary. I don't know if you can even see it. This is my snap code person, and then that's just like my Snapchat thing. Who should I let be my video? Let's have Maddie be in it. I'll send her a video. You're gonna be in my vid. Yeah. Okay. She probably doesn't even know what I'm talking about. She doesn't know I'm filming this. And then I just have all my stories and all that basic stuff. And then the last thing I have is iMessage. I'll show you me playing darts. So I just have iMessage, and on there I just have all like the basic text chats, and then I also play Game Pigeon a lot, so I'll just show you me taking my turn back against Julia. I'm pretty good at darts, not gonna lie. Just kidding, I'm actually really bad at it. See, didn't win. And yeah, that is pretty much just everything that is on my iPhone. So yeah. Okay, so I really hope you guys liked this video, me showing you what's on my iPhone 7, plus me unboxing my new Wildflower phone case. I really like how the case looks on my phone. It's really cute. Yeah, I really like how it looks. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you should definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, you should check back in every single Wednesday to my channel, because that is when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.